this is Judy from Mel's Crafty Mojo.
And I'm Desiree with Mel's Crafty Mojo.
And we have teamed together, y'all may know, we teamed together with Michelle Noble at A Noble Touch. She puts together, she makes these beautiful wreaths and we make the kits for it. So this is our second kit that we're making with it. So it will include a 10-inch raised box frame. Then you get 3 rolls of deco mesh. We got light blue deco mesh. And you got a 2-tone peacock blue and green deco mesh. And metallic emerald deco mesh. And then we got a pack of 106-inch zip ties. Piece of canvas sheet. And we got this from Kim from Nothing But Bows. A hand-poured flower center that came out actually really pretty. I can't wait to see all these. Yeah. And yeah, if you're on our site and want to see the video that Michelle Noble had put together, all you gotta do is just look right over here and you will find that video.
Yep, and the kit is $39.99. You will still need your own floral pins and fuzzy sticks and everything, whatever you want to call them. You still gotta put that with it, but yep, that's it for this video. So if you got any questions or anything, just ask us.
Let us know. I want to be packing a lot of these kits, y'all.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for tuning in.
Bye, guys.
Bye.